Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you guys are new here. How's everything going, guys? I hope that you guys are having an amazing start of the last week of January. How crazy is it that we are literally at the end of the month already? First month of 2021. That really flew by. Like, it's actually crazy how fast that went by. But for today's video, if you got any hints from my t-shirt, is a Harry Potter inspired video. If you are anything like me, then you are a major Potterhead. I absolutely love the movies and everything that has to do with Harry Potter. I absolutely love. I actually consider myself a Gryffindor, so I'm interested in hearing in the comments if you are interested in the Harry Potter movies. What house are you guys a part of? I'd love to hear from you guys about it. Let me know, are you a Gryffindor like me, or are you Slytherin or Hufflepuff or Ravenclaw? Let me know. But for today's video, I thought I would do something fun and different, and because of that, we are going to be making a DIY butterbeer at home. I've wanted to do this video for a long time, but I've just never actually sat down to do it. But recently I've been doing my research on it, and it's actually super simple. There's really not a lot of steps and or ingredients, so I figured that's what we are going to do today. I have absolutely been obsessed with butterbeer since I had it in Universal Studios almost 2 years ago at this point. If you have me on Instagram, you probably saw that when I went to California. And if you haven't, then be sure to go on my Instagram and check out my California highlights, and you will see that I was obsessed with it. So I wanted to make this because I loved it then. I know I'm still gonna love it now, but I'm looking for a recipe that tastes almost identical to it, and I think I found it, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video and learning how to make an at-home butterbeer, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I was looking for a while to see like a good recipe, and I actually have the Harry Potter cookbook. My brother gifted it to me for Christmas like 2 or 3 years ago. But I also just wanted to see what other people, you know, thought and have created on their own and stuff like that. So I actually stumbled upon a few videos on TikTok where people were doing it, and between that and then between seeing other things that I was looking up, I think I found a good recipe for how to make it. And a lot of them were claiming that that it tastes identical or like super close to the one in Universal, which made me that much more excited about it. But yeah, everybody apparently does it differently. Some people were using ice cream, some people weren't, and like other extra ingredients. But let me show you guys what we are going to be working with today, and then we are just going to get into it. Okay, so first things first, what are you going to need for this recipe? You are going to need some cream soda. I just grabbed this one. I know there's a few different ones, but I grabbed this one. You're going to need some heavy cream. You're going to need butter extract, caramel flavor, some powdered sugar, and then some butterscotch syrup like this. So there's not that many ingredients, which is good, and let's just start making this butterbeer. Okay, so it's done being made. Super quick and easy. This is what it looks like. Don't mind the mess. I obviously have to clean up, but this is it. And now to taste test it. Oh my god. Yo. This tastes so good, and it brings me back to Universal Studios. Oh my god. Holy crap. That is so freaking good, guys. I definitely 100% recommend that you try it out at home for yourself. That is, oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I finally found a recipe like this that I can do at home for myself and have butterbeer all the freaking time. And it tastes, literally it tastes amazing. I'm not even joking with you guys. Wow. You need to try this at home. I'm kind of glad I didn't go with the ice cream. I feel like the ice cream would have been a lot to add to it and a lot of sweetness, but this is perfect. I'm going to leave the ingredients and recipe, you know, measurements and all that stuff linked below so that you guys can try it at home. And if you are a die-hard Harry Potter fan, please try it and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you liked it too, if you thought it was almost identical to Universal, if not better. I really love it. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please always make sure to give it a thumbs up. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!